Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's how to fix the Uber Eats refund not received after a cancelled or wrong order. First, open Uber Eats, then go to your orders, select the order, and then check if the refund is marked processed or completed. Refund may take 5 to 10 business days to appear depending on your bank. Ensure the refund is going through the correct card or PayPal account linked to Uber Eats. If the refund hasn't arrived after the expected time, go to your help, orders, refund issue, and contact Uber Eats support. Save screenshots of the refund status to share with support if needed. That's how to fix the Uber Eats not found or received. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.